Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a friendly dragon named Grindelwald. Grindelwald was unlike any other dragon, for he had the ability to talk and share stories with the villagers. Every day, Grindelwald would fly over the hills and valleys, spreading joy and laughter wherever he went. The villagers loved him, and he loved them. But one day, Grindelwald felt a strange emptiness inside him. He tried to ignore it, but the feeling grew stronger each day. So, Grindelwald decided to embark on a magical adventure to find what was missing in his life. He flew over mountains and crossed rivers, asking everyone he met about his missing piece. But no one seemed to know what it was. One day, Grindelwald came across a wise old owl named Wigglesworth. Grindelwald asked Wigglesworth about his missing piece, and the old owl smiled. "You are a wise and kind dragon, Grindelwald," said Wigglesworth. "But you have forgotten one important thing, the love and friendship of others. You have been so busy spreading joy that you forgot to receive it in return." Grindelwald thought about it and realized that Wigglesworth was right. So, he flew back to the village, and the villagers were happy to see him. They greeted him with open arms, and Grindelwald felt a warmth inside him like never before. He realized that the missing piece he was looking for was the love and friendship of the villagers. From then on, Grindelwald made a conscious effort to accept love and friendship from others, and his life became even more magical than before. The villagers were grateful to Grindelwald for teaching them the importance of giving and receiving love and friendship. And Grindelwald was happy, for he had found what he was looking for all along. So, if you ever feel like something is missing in your life, remember Grindelwald's story. Look around you, and you will find the love and friendship that you need. Good night, dear children. May you find love and friendship in your own magical adventures.